All right, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to customize your Tesla live show sequence, guys. You can actually customize this, okay? So first things first, you want to make sure your Tesla is powered on and you're actually seated inside. And then, guys, what you want to do, okay, is navigate to the entertainment tab on your touchscreen, okay? Click on entertainment tab on your touchscreen, and then what you want to do is scroll down to find the light show option, right? You want to tap on it to enter the settings where you can customize your light show. Now, here, guys, you will see a variety of preset sequences available. You can select one to preview it, okay? If you want to create a custom sequence, what you can do, guys, is you can look for the customize button, okay? And now, guys, you can start customizing. You'll be able to change the colors, timings, and the effect. You can use the sliders and color palette to get your desired look. And you can also feel free to experiment with the different combinations, guys. And once you're satisfied with your customized light show, guys, make sure to hit the save button, guys. All right? You can always revisit this section to tweak your settings whenever you want. And now, guys, to enjoy your light show, guys, all you need to do is simply return to the light show feature and just select your custom sequence whenever you're ready to impress your friends and or just have some fun. All right, and that's it, guys. You are now all set up to customize your light show sequence on your Tesla. For more ways to upgrade your ride even further, guys, check out the link in the description. And also next time, guys, I want you to subscribe so you can see me in the next video, guys. Check out the link in the description and upgrade